Good evening, everyone. This is Fender. It's Thursday night, May 3rd, 2018, time 8:42 p.m. here in New York City, my city, which is the greatest city in the world, located in the greatest country in the world. Yeah, babies. This video is on a dream I had several years ago, and this dream was about flooding. Specifically flooding to John FK Airport. Now, the reason why I'm making this video today is because I accidentally came upon a video I made in 2011. Actually posted this video in 2011. And it was on a dream on flooding coming to Brooklyn, New York, and John F. K. Airport being flooded. Okay, so this is the video I made on my dream. This video is titled Parish's Future Prophecies, Part 4, Section 8, 206, Letter A through Y, 2010. Parish is aka Parish, my other name I use sometimes. And I uploaded this video on April 26, 2011.
The next letter in this piece is the letter L. This is section 8, letter L. There's one dream in this piece that begins with the letter L. There's one dream about the Linden Plaza apartment building. The first number in this piece is the number 1. This piece is called section 8, 1 Linden Plaza apartment buildings, or SA1LPABD. In the month of November 2nd, 2009, recorded this dream inside my dream book. In this dream, I recall that I stood in the middle of a small desert. This desert was not too far from Starrett City. Starrett City is located in the East New York section of Brooklyn. Next, I spotted a commercial airline fly overhead. Then I noticed 2 streaks of white mist coming off both wings of this airplane that flown overhead. And then I felt compelled to follow this plane
and lead you guys to this video. Okay, and this video is entitled Parish's Dream, a Flood for John F. K. Airport, posted by me on January 18th, 2012. Okay, in this video, I am trying to demonstrate that this dream I had of a flood coming to John F. K. I think this dream was given to me in 2010. Was so it was a poignant dream. It was still stuck in my mind in 2012 that I had to, in a way, speak about it again. Okay, so we click here so you guys and gals can hear exactly the date this video was made on video.
Today is January 19th, 2012, time 1:06 a.m., a Thursday morning.
Right, so I made this video on January 12, 2012, and I uploaded this video on January 18th, 2012. Right, so let me zoom down to 200.
Now, you see this video before you, this video that I have on pause, and the title of this video is Parish's Future Prophecy 4, Section 8, 206, Letter A through Y, 2010. And it was uploaded on April 28th, 2011. This video talks about a flood at John F. K. Airport.
The next letter in this piece is the letter L. This is section 8, letter
was
L.
uploaded April
There's one
26,
dream in this piece that
2011.
begins with the letter L. There's one dream about the Linden Plaza apartment building. The first number of this piece is the number 1. This piece is called section 8, One Linden Plaza apartment buildings, or SA1LPABD. In the month of November 2nd, 2009, recorded this dream inside my dream book. In this dream, I recall that I stood in the middle of a small desert. This desert was not too far from Starry City. Starry City is located in the East New York section of Brooklyn. Next, I spotted a commercial airline fly overhead. Then I noticed 2 streaks of white mist coming off both wings of this airplane that flown overhead. And then I felt compelled to follow this plane. So I leaped into the air and I followed this plane. I followed behind the plane for a few seconds. Then this particular plane I was trying to follow had vanished from my sight because it had flown faster than me. Then the next thing I seen inside this dream was another airplane stationed on the runway below me. And this runway was almost completely surrounded by water. Now I realized that I was hovering over JFK Airport. And then a thought popped into my head. The thought in my head told me to get ready to follow the second plane below when it finally takes off. But I quickly discarded this thought once I realized the water that nearly surrounded the runway was the Atlantic Ocean.
Right. Okay, guys and gals. This, I guess, follow-up video to the actual video, to this actual video. Parish's Future Prophecy 4, Section 8, 206, letter A through Y, 2010. Okay, it says here, down here. Made in 2010, uploaded April 26, 2011. Go back to this video. Okay, so I'm making reference to the same video. This video. In this film, which is once again titled Parish's Dream, A Flood for John F. K. Airport. Once again, I must stress that I published this dream, or this follow-up video, on January 18th, 2012. Right. Then Hurricane Sandy came along in October 29th, 2012. Okay? And Hurricane Sandy has blown through New York City, the whole East Coast. Just about. Hurricane Sandy ravages East Coast. And Hurricane Sandy was a Category 3. It was a Frankenstorm. It was a mixture of other things that came together that have created this monster storm, this Frankenstorm. Okay? And for some reason, I felt led to go back to this, my YouTube channel, my old YouTube channel, which is here. It's Amazing 2007 for. Okay? Okay, so I guess, yeah, the actual video was posted in this other YouTube channel I have, which is called Yes, Okay, It's Me For. Alright? Alright. And I mentioned this dream. Mentioned this dream in my other YouTube channel, this other YouTube channel, which is called Amazing 2007 for. Okay, once again, January 18th, 2012. So, yeah, and then it came in October 29, 2012, Hurricane Sandy. So, I felt led to go back to my old videos, YouTube channel. Yes, Okay, Me is Full, Amazing 2007 for today. And I guess I was led to my old YouTube channels today is because I have never really did any follow-up to the devastation that Hurricane Sandy have really done to New York City. I made a video, several videos on how Hurricane Sandy had flooded Red Hook projects here in Brooklyn, New York, had flooded Long Island, Staten Island, had flooded uh, Ground Zero, where the One World Trade Tower is standing now. But I have never gone back to see if John F. K. Airport was flooded by Hurricane Sandy until now, for some reason. Until now. Okay? So I have Googled John F. K. Airport flooded by Hurricane Sandy 1 hour ago, I guess. And this is my first time ever really doing this. Googling John F. K. Airport flooded by Hurricane Sandy. And as you guys and gals can see, that John F. K. Airport was flooded by this storm, Hurricane Sandy. Okay? There's tons of pictures of John F. K. Airport being flooded by Hurricane Sandy. See, Hurricane Sandy. Look at this. This is John F. K. Airport, not too far away from my house here. Look at this. All this water. Okay? John F. K. Airport. Look at this. So let me click on a good picture of floodwater coming into John F. K. Airport. Let's see what is a good picture I can use. See, I guess I'll click onto this. Well, let me click onto this one first. This looks interesting. Okay, see, in my dream, in 2010, I found myself flying over John F. K. Airport, and I saw the runway, John F. K. Airport runway, flooded with water. Okay, so this dream came to pass in October 29th, 2012, and yes, I'm just stumbling upon the fact that this dream had come to pass in 2012, and yes, today is Thursday, May 3rd, 2018. Basically, I'm trying to say, guys and gals, a lot of my dreams I have mentioned about and made videos on are in like several of my YouTube channels, and apparently I really don't have time to go back to these dreams or these videos to see which dream have come to pass. But once again, for some reason, I felt led to go back to my dream on John F. K. Airport being flooded by the Atlantic Ocean today for some reason. Yeah, so yeah, look at this. This is literally John F. K. Airport. Look at that, flooded. I never seen this only until today. And this was why I felt so led to mention about mention this dream. Okay, in 2010, which I made an actual video, and then I came onto YouTube in 2011, May 2011. So yeah, this is my YouTube channel. Yes, okay, me full. April 26, 2011, to mention the dream first time, and yes, okay, me is full. Then I mentioned this dream again in my other YouTube channel, May 2007, full on January 18th, 2012. And then in October 29th, 2012, Hurricane Sandy came along and caused havoc at John F. K. Airport. Yeah, caused havoc. Okay, yeah, look at this. This is crazy. See, said I was flying at the airport. I was flying by the runway, so water. Yeah, so this dream I had in 2010, mentioned in 2011, spoke it again spoke it again, you know, on this dream is 2012. Discovered that it was fulfilled today, May 3rd, 2018. Yeah, so guys and gals, I'm a prophet, man. I'm not a minor prophet. No way, dude. I'm major. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching this video. I will link these two videos in my in the description box below. Everyone, take care, God bless, and bye.